Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is April 29th when I'm recording this, and just want to take a kind of big picture view. If we look at the SPY on the monthly chart, it has done a pretty darn good job staying over the monthly 10 and actually now turning the monthly 10 up. We can see that with the NASDAQ. You can see here price is over the monthly 10 and doing well. And the IWM, not doing so well, but the only other thing I can say about the IWM is it is hanging right here. It has not broken lower, it is just flagging sideways, which means if it did want to go up, it could keep going. It could go up from here and wouldn't have too much to do. So this is something I'll have to be watching on the monthly time frame and see what the IWM does. And the Dow actually did a really good job. I mean, look at this thing. It did get over, it pulled back, and now we're back up. So that seems like it's okay. That seems totally normal. And then if we look at the semis, let's get over here, SOXX, and look what it did. You know, even for the weakness that we had for the last 2 weeks, you know, it got up, and what did it do? Basically, it's just kind of pulling back, possibly into support, and then might go higher. So the indexes are looking okay. I know that breadth is not very good, participation is not great, and I think that there is a lot of talk about this being kind of the rally before the storm and we come down like that. Hey, anything's possible, but from an index standpoint, these things are all over their monthly 10s except for the IWM, and as long as they maintain that, we've got to kind of go with that direction as far as the indexes. Again, I know that underneath the hood, not a lot of names are doing great, so that's just something to kind of watch out for. And then as far as near term, I've been watching the put-call ratio. We can see that when the put-call ratio gets low, market's high, low, market's high, low, market is high, and here you go, low, and the market's high. So based on this, we should be seeing a bit of a cycle down of the market. We should be seeing the market come back down a bit in order to get the put-call ratio back up, and that would then help mark the bottom. So it seems to me we should get some move to the downside like that. Is it going to happen? Maybe not. The market actually had a pretty strong week after it pulled back, and you know, maybe this thing could kind of get figured out with a more sideways market. Basically, it looks bullish. Things are moving up. Participation's poor, and so it is still kind of a mixed market out there. And we're going into sell in May, go away. Plus, we have the FOMC coming up, so just be aware of that. It's probably going to be a bit of a crazy week. I know I'm going to be pulling back on our positions this week going into FOMC and just let the dust settle and see what happens after Wednesday. All right, everyone, take care, be safe out there, and we'll see you next week. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis.